myself, Virana Signal, responsible for business development and marketing activity, West and North regions. We are from Bloom. Bloom is basically a German-based organization. We are into a pioneer production methodology system based on southern part of Germany, having more than 50 years experience in the production methodology. Basically, we are having divisions like compound division, machining division, and measurement division. Here we have demonstrated, I would say we are witnessing live demonstration of production methodology system like tool setting system, work setting system. In tool setting systems, we do have a lot of contact type system and non-contact system where you can have a length, diameter, tool form, tool worn out on the machine you can check. The production methodology plays a major role during the machining. And everybody would say, I will be going with the pre or post machining, we want to check the metrology. But the thing is, during the machining, if you are going with controlling the metrology, then the end of the product will be without any deviations, where you can, the main intention behind the implementation of production metrology in the machine tool industry is where you can reduce your non-cutting time, increase your productivity, reduce your human errors. So that what will happen, obviously, you are going to increase your product in both die mold and part manufacturing. For that, we have different products displayed here. As I explained you, these are the tool setting and work setting systems. Here, you can have a look on the tool setting contact type systems for length and breakage, length and diameter up to 0.5 diameter, and laser is the complete tool measurement system where you can have a length, diameter, form, single cutting edge, scanning of the component depend on the machine and controller, where you can witness the minimum tool diameter of 10 micron tool you can check. It's very difficult to have a tool setting as well as a breakage detection. Similarly, we do have a probing system where you can have a complete compound setting, compound measurement, as well as work offset setting, casting to machining variations, which can enhance your productivity. If you are having any B-axis correction, B-axis variation, you can go with the things. And the advantage and the key features of a probing system, Bloom probing systems, is we are the world fastest probing manufacturer, where you can go up to 2 meter and 3 meter measuring feed, and the pre-positioning up to 10 to 15,000, and there will not be any interchangeability, run out setting, and all the things. This plays a very user-friendly system for the industry where the operator can use it very easily for the enhancement of the productivity. Similarly, laser, I said, up to 10 micron. I can say we are having 90% world market share in the world. You name the 5X machines, every machine comes along with the Bloom laser because of the pioneer in engineering, high accuracy, high reliability, where it can work in the high pressure, coolant, oil, whatever the thing, irrespective of your things, you can have a complete measurement on the machine. And coming back to the 3D inspection software, as I said, once the machining is done, nowadays challenge with the industry is everybody wants to have a job measurement on the machine. Because if you take out a job, like a bigger compounds like impeller and all, if you take out a compound, going to the CMM, rechecking, if you found any deviation, it's very difficult to reset the job and do the remachining on the machine, because you will not be getting the same references. In turn, what we are having, we do have a software called Form Control Egg, where you need to import the CAD model and select the points. Our program will be generated automatically and sent to the machine. Then after the machining, the probe is going to check the job and gives you a report like a CMM and with the deviations, with your minimum maximum tolerances. Later, you can recheck and do the remachining itself, which will enhance your 100% productivity without any deviation. So, I request you all, we are at hall number 2 and P6A stall number. You can come and you can have a look and witness the live demonstration of all type of production methodology systems from Bloom Notest India. Relating to my previous explanation, here we have installed all type of systems. Now you can see the 3D measurement software is working, where it is checking a job, and you can see the simulation, how it is going to take out the point, how it is going to measure the component here. With the probe, we are having a tool setting, length, diameter, complete measurement system, length setting system, and as I said, now it is doing a job measurement. I would like to request all of you to come and have a live demonstration witness on the machine. Thank you.